Hello and welcome back to the channel. 3 months ago I skipped this ADA 45p and at the time of planting I was really happy with it, but the plant that I used in the background is a plant called Cypress halferi, and whilst it is a lovely long green plant, it does grow very long, and within no time at all this scape was looking a little bit overgrown and a little bit messy, and whilst I did love it, it wasn't quite the look that I was going for. I also have an Oase 90 Scapeline 90, sorry, and the last video was me doing a plant swap between this tank and the ADA 45p, so I moved the Cypress halferi over. So this video is to show you how the ADA 45p is looking. So there was some Rotala that I pulled out of the 90, I'm just going to call it a 90p, but the only kind of species in there that I really wanted to keep was the Rotala bonsai. So I planted those like healthy stems from the 90p into the 45p, but this left a bit of a gap at the back. I did have a strand of Bacopa caroliniana purple, which is quite a rare plant, so I popped that in there. But in the end I decided to just order 2 species of plants. So we have some it's Crypt retrospiralis and some Hygrophila pinnatifida. It's actually been grown immersed, which is why it looks the way it does, and it looks incredible. So this will obviously have to convert to an underwater state and it won't be quite so ferny looking, but at the minute it does look really nice. So I just attached that to the wood and I popped the Cryptospiralis in the back, and it was pretty much that simple. I always add Seachem Flourish Advance to every tank that I start up, every time I plant new plants, and every time I trim them as well. So this is a phytohormone. It contains various sort of nutrients that just really help the roots establish, and this is how the 45p is looking now. Obviously it needs to grow in and establish, and we'll have some update videos on that, but for now this is how it is looking. I really like it, and yeah, let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this quick video and I will see you on the next one.